Okay. Uh, Hello everybody. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, cold, breezy, but damn, so mad that Packers freaking tied up with the Minnesota Vikings, man. It's okay though, but um, a quick synopsis about what I'm doing in my life so far is this is the week of Thanksgiving and 2 more weeks, and then what? Final exam, and then the break. Hopefully over the break I can come with some new shit. But me and Tim been working on it. But 2014 comes around, that's graduation year, and I'm ready, hyped up, accepted to college, ready to turn in some scholarships. And yeah, I'm making a cover of this song real quick. It's called txoj by the Playas. Okay, so enjoy. It's been a while since I played or remember. I don't even remember the lyrics, but fuck it, improvise. Nhau kulu ne kuni nu toi tu ne jom ne ko Evili no tu ju shang du He chi u lo shi kyo Dashi no ku to ko lon do kunyo Da ku isha Kuyo lu ko tai shi Mu iti mu tanu ka Tao tiếng gai mu Tao mùi lê Tao non được cu Tao tiếng gai mu Tao mùi lê Tao non được cu Tao tiếng gai mu Cu lu co Fuck, I ate too much. Txoj to hậu kỳ to có to ta kỳ cho xia đầu lu nê đi lối mong khu hay lo to mua kỳ như xia cho lo xa Qua tí lo cho lưu của mùa Khi cứ qua từ lưu Cần lưu nó mù linh mùa Nhau cứ lưu nê cứ nia lưu tối tư Nê trong nê cô Ê bì lý nó từ chứ sang tư Thiệt chi ư lo xì chua